It's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome. Are you ready to create a beautiful little bracelet using the newest Softlex company design kit? So charming. And this kit was exclusive for their Customer Appreciation Week. And if this kit is still available, I will go ahead and link it down below in the description, as well as a tutorial playlist for my other creations I made with this design kit. So I am just adding in a few things that were not in the kit. This little connector or a soldered jump ring. So I'm going to add in my little charm to it. And then of course, a clasp of your choice. I'm using a lobster claw and then a couple jump rings. And I'm mixing my metals between silver and gold. And I thought since it'd be really cute with this little heart charm if we use the pink tourmaline Softlex wire. And then we're using some daisy spacers from the Jesse James bead mix, these adorable little charms in the bunny and the heart or the little locket, and then part of the Bedoria crystal bead mix. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. Let's start creating. So to start, we're going to add on our little bunny charm, and we're just going to attach that with a jump ring. So to open up our jump ring, we're just going to twist side to side. We're going to attach our jump ring to our little connector and add on our charm and give it a close. And when we close jump rings, we should hear a little click and we'll know it's secure. We have our little charm. Be super cute as an earring as well. Once we have our little charm, we're going to just attach our Softlex wire. And this is just basic bead stringing. If you've seen any of my other tutorials when I'm doing my bead stringing, I like to keep it on the spool just to act as a bead stopper. We're just going to design our pattern on the bead mat. And then we're just going to add in our little daisy spacers. Pull up the metal spacer bead short. So I'm just going to add in a little crystal rondel. So we're just going to add on our beads to our Softlex wire. And I love how with the clear one, you can kind of see the Softlex wire showing through. It just really adds to your design. So we're just going to add on one row of our beads. Super sparkly. I love the Bedoria bead mixes. So I love about Softlex Customer Appreciation Week is it's all about the small businesses and helping support them. So once you have your beads added on, we're just going to add on our 2x2 like it was a bead. We're going to add on our little bunny embellishments, and then we're just going to pass back through our 2x2. This is going to create a little connection point, and it's up to you how big or small you have it, but you want it to be able to move freely on the little jump ring. We're going to take our pliers and just give it a squeeze. We're going to rotate and squeeze again. This is just going to round it for a more professional finish. And I'm just going to slide all of my beads down. I have a little bit extra Softlex, and I'm just going to tuck that underneath that next bead. And we still have our Softlex on the spool. So we're just going to cut a good workable length of Softlex to add on our second 2x2 on the other side. Add on our 2x2 and then just pass back through. Going back through, we have our little loop, and then we're just going to flatten it. And because these crystals kind of have a large hole, instead of trimming your extra Softlex, you could just pass it back through. So we have part of our beautiful bracelet completed, super sparkly. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're just going to add on this row of beads to our Softlex. We have our beads added on, the same thing. Add it to our little connector. This can be a little challenging, but we want to try to make sure if our connectors are fairly the same size. They don't have to be perfect. You would just like them similar. So we'll make any adjustments that we may need. And you can also attach them to jump rings to the connector if you wanted to, if it's a little easier. So we're going to flatten our 2 by 2 and then we're going to rotate. And then we're just going to add those beads over our little tail of soft wax. We're in the final steps of our project. We're just going to trim a good workable length of soft wax to add on our last 2 by 2. So we're going to add that on and then just pass back through. Compare and make sure that our loops are fairly the same size. And then we're just going to go ahead and flatten our 2 by 2 and round. And we have our beautiful little bunny bracelet. Now we're just going to attach a clasp, and I am using a lobster claw. Just need some jump rings, and then I'll probably add in a few more jump rings just to make like a little chain extender so I can have my little heart pendant at the back with my clasp. Mhm. So we're just going to open a few more jump rings. So I'm going to attach 2 jump rings on this side, and then I'm going to attach my lobster claw. This is a wonderful project as well as if you're giving this as a gift and you're not sure the size, by attaching it to jump rings, you can always adjust the size if needed. So once we have our little jump ring open, we're just going to attach our lobster claw and give it a close. We'll hear that little click. Make sure our little bunny is going the right way. And on this side, I'm going to attach 3 of the jump rings, just as a little extender. So we're adding on our last little jump ring, and then we will attach our little embellishment. So we're going to open up our jump ring, attach our heart, and then attach this last jump ring to the end of our little extender and give it a close. We have our adorable little bracelet using beads from the newest Softlex Company design kit. So charming. Their exclusive kit for Customer Appreciation Week 2025. We have crystals from the Bedoria bead mix, this adorable little bunny charm, and then the little heart locket for a little embellishment on the clasp. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for the products used in this video, as well as a tutorial playlist for the So Charming design kit. Have an awesome day.